Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the concept of minimum viable product, or MVP. An MVP is the most basic version of a product that can still be released. It includes only the core features necessary to solve a problem or meet a need. The goal of an MVP is to quickly launch a product to market, gather user feedback, and make improvements based on that feedback. Creating an MVP involves identifying the essential features that address the primary problem your product aims to solve. Remember, an MVP is not about creating a perfect product. It's about creating a product that is good enough to start learning from real users. Once your MVP is out in the market, collect as much feedback as possible. This will guide you in making necessary improvements and adding features that users actually want. By focusing on an MVP, you can save time and resources, reduce risks, and increase your chances of success in the market. This video was sponsored by HEFLO, a cloud platform that provides artificial intelligence features for automating and documenting business processes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos about management.